What the hell? Hello, my name is Sue, and I just got this cheap ass mic off of Amazon because I really want to try doing a series where I narrate and I just take you guys with me wherever I go. But today, come with me to the beach. Today we're going to the beach. So, where I live, it's sunny and hot. It's cloudy as shit. And I got a big old boot. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make all of this and the clouds. We're gonna make it work. Okay, so if you get my drift, we're trying to get down there where all the folks are at. All two of them. And better fucking believe I'll make it down there. So this is actually like kind of the issue at hand here. But no issue that I can't rise above, you know what I mean? The fuck? You guys, there's a horse. This is my dream. This is my absolute dream. I'm so lucky. Oh my goodness, it just keeps getting luckier and luckier. Is that a hawk? He's a big boy. He's looking at the damn horse. Can I pet you? Is that allowed? Hi. If you're someone who doesn't do things alone because you're scared, this is like all the reason to just not wait for anybody, you know? There's nothing wrong with enjoying your own company. I mean, look at this bird. How cute. Go to the beach.